we're back.
We're back, baby.
We're back from the airfield, evaluating damage. We got a lot of cowling up here that all exploded.
And glue all that back underneath.
Got our hot glue gun.
Got a little damage on the elevator.
Got some folding on the wing here. We got to fix this part of the wing.
We got some splitage. What else we got?
Anything else? That's it for the wing. Oh, we got the power pod.
And we got to figure out why this thing's not flying right.
Yeah, because it was flying. What didn't want to roll left. Every time you rolled left, it would climb. And the other thing we have to do, last thing, is take this dorky propeller off. Went and got some new props. We got new props. I figured I have to match Jared and paint my plane too. So we got some paint. That may be on this edit, maybe the next edit, we'll see. But we're not going to make you watch all this.
Enjoy the time lapse.
And we'll see you in the sky. Fuselage done.
Wing looks good. Reinforced. Power pod. Reinforced. A little crooked though.
We got the tail fixed.
Tail's fixed.
It's a lot straighter there. Got the cowling all fixed and glued back together. Oh, we have to mess with our prop angle. I think the reason it was rolling weird was because the angle was too great. And we think it was too far right, and that's why when you would roll left, since the prop's pointing up, I don't know. We're going to try to just go for more of a straight shot on the prop angle this time because it was pretty severe. Our new prop on the P-51 and R&D. Research and development. Coming at you live. We'll see you in the air. Alright, we're back in the hangar. We just finished up fixing the Bushwacker. We think we got that prop angle corrected, so that should be good. We'll have some flight of that coming up soon. For now, we're going to hop outside and go paint the P-51. Stay tuned. Enjoy the music and the time lapse.
What do you think?
We got some more toys.
Check this out.
We got some ideas too. You're gonna have to let us know what you think in the comments, but since we got a glider, we got to thinking about maybe towing up as you would in a glider. So we were debating on either towing the empty T-28 frame, or we're thinking maybe we should tow this one up.
That one's ready to fly. No battery, no transmitter though. Same thing with that one. That one's ready to fly. No battery, no transmitter. But it seems like some pretty good internals.
Yeah.
So we're going to do some run-ups.
Let us know in the comments what we should tow up. We're going to do control surfaces only on the tow up, no motor, so you have to basically glide back down. I think it'll be kind of interesting. Might make some good content out of it. Let us know in the comments. T-28 or the P-51 tow. Alright everyone, thanks for watching. If you're still here, please subscribe, like, and hit that notification bell so you get alerted on all of our videos when we launch them. Next week we'll be doing a lot of flying of our new marketplace airplanes that we just picked up, which brings our fleet up to 7 airplanes now, and you've only seen 2 of them. So you really want to check out that video next week. I'm going to get back to finishing up editing this video so we can get it out to you as soon as we possible. See you on the next one. We'll see you in the sky.